Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at our quality oil purifiers, designed as direct alternatives to full line of Pall HNP series. Here are our skid-mounted oil purifiers. They handle all free water, free gases, and dissolved water, dissolved gases from contaminated oils or synthetic-based fluids. Let's explore its key component one by one. First, inlet and outlet connections. Both are ball valves for smooth flow control. We equip with 2 sets of complementary hoses for each oil purifier to let you seamlessly connect the equipment to your oil supply reservoir and system. Solenoid valve helps regulate the vacuum level with fast and precise control, even during frequent switching. Pneumatic muffler for a significant noise reduction during operating. We use ABB motors or equal brands for the reliability during long-term operation. Or, you can point your preferred brands for easier, locally maintaining. Explosion-proof design is optional. Next, the oil heating module. It can warm the contaminated oils to its optimal processing temperatures, reducing oil viscosity and prompting water evaporation. Heater is an upgraded configuration compared to standard products in the HNP series. It's particularly essential when treating those cold or highly viscous contaminated oils. We focus on each part of the system, even such a trivial detail as the arrangement of cables. All of them are neatly organized. This not only keeps the layout clear and tidy, but also eases the identification during maintenance. Moreover, they are precisely grouped and put inside the wire conduits for safer operation. Next is the heart of this system, the vacuum chamber. This is where water and gases are removed from the oil under vacuum conditions. It's entirely constructed by stainless steel or carbon steel with epoxy coating, or you can point the materials based on your specific demands. Air filter remove particles in 0.1 to 5 microns with efficiency of 99.9%, keeping dust out of the vacuum system for a smooth, clean operation. Clearly indicates the flow direction to ensure right connection with inlet and outlet pipes. Next to it is the oil mist separator. It filters and recovers oil mist generated during the dehydration process, preventing oil loss while protecting both the equipment and environment. After dehydration, the oil passes through the fine filtration stage. This fine particle filter is structured by a robust housing with high-efficiency filter element and is used to remove solid particles from 1 to 100 microns, ensuring the oil meets the required cleanliness level. Let's learn more about the electric cabinet and inside components. Siemens PLC system and panel is a standard option for our oil purifiers. S7200 allows to be integrated into your central control system more easily. Once every parameter is properly settled down, the entire system achieves a fully automated operation and monitors various operating data in real time. Open the electric box. You'll find that the components inside are all sourced from top brands, such as Schneider, Siemens, or other reliable brands with CE symbol, as well as the equally clear and neat layout of wires. They follow a specific color code and labeling standard to ease your verification and inspection with minimized downtime. Wheels can be directly integrated into your existing systems as permanent equipment, or are easy to be moved to any places where needs efficient dehydration from oils. If you're looking for a more flexible alternative to Pall HNP purifiers, this system offers a reliable option. Find our contact info in the below. Thanks for watching. See you next update.